have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? Engineer, repair tech. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. This look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot.
Right, that's very good.
Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Blame the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've got on to us. Take evasive action! Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent, now done. Shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have to go taxi out. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something of control. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last charge. Gunners, shoot the train. I'm so close. Keep reeling. Cargo, keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, but distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Let's pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Looks like we are ready to unload.
Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.